Hi Tarzan, many happy returns of the day. Congratulations for completing half century. I wish you complete century also, with all of us rather. Let this lockdown be over. We all meet and the street is due. We'll all sit together and wish you personally. I still remember the golden days we spent in the college. You are wearing that chaddi and the leaves and posing like a Tarzan. We wanted, we all be happy. When I shared with my family, we really enjoyed that moment. Thanks for giving us the same. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the success in life. Enjoy yourself.
Happy birthday, Rajiv. Hope you are enjoying the day.
Hi Rajiv, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday and tons of love and happiness. तेरे बर्थडे खुशी में देख दारू गिरा आज लिपस्टिक का भी मार्क देख ले. मैं लिपस्टिक नहीं लगाता. कौन लगाता है तुझे पता होगा. आई एम नॉट श्योर. ओके बट आई मस्ट से वन थिंग राजीव. You have been a pillar of strength to all of us, and you are such a sincere and an honest man. We all love you, and you stay what you are, and continue to be a same good old Rajiv. And we always cherished the memories, the time which we spent with you. I wish you a very long life and happiness in life. I think Chandrika will be agreeing with me on the same issues. And
वैसे सोना क्या केक बेक किया आज? जल्दी बता दे. Happy birthday, Rajiv. Once again, have a long and happy life. Enjoy.
Bye. Take care.
Hi Rajiv. Wishing you a very happy birthday. This is a very special one as this is your 50th birthday. I remember meeting you 15 years back and you have not changed bit since last 15 years. We had a very wonderful memories when you were in Neelsoft and especially that road trip which I can never forget. So once again wishing you a very happy birthday, long life and very healthy one. Thank you.
Tarzan, this is for your 50th birthday, buddy. I know you for past 35 years and trust me, I have seen an adolescent kid growing up to a very mature man, mature and loving father and a husband. You are too good, man. May God bless you with all the happiness and a healthy life. Again, I know Rajiv Mehta becoming Tarzan and a mature person. God bless you. Very happy birthday. Thanks.
Hi sir. And thanks Sarika ma'am giving me this opportunity on this day to wish Rajiv sir. I can say a lot of things about Rajiv sir. Obviously all are good, but I don't want to be that much verbose in this short video. So I would say he's just a very lovely personality. In fact, lovely is the synonym of Rajiv Mehta ji, and no doubt he's very charming personality. He's very charming and caring. What I felt during my tenure with him. So I would like to wish him a very good and happy healthy life. Please be happy sir. This is your 50th birthday and many more to come. We would like to celebrate all together, but fine, maybe next time, but please be happy and feel very special on this day. It's 50th birthday at least. Bye and take care sir. Bye.
Hi Tarzan, wish you a very happy 50th buddy. It's an honor to be talking to you and your family on this a very important milestone of your life. Oh man, 35 years back is when we met. Back when I used to have hair on my head, and you were always this, tall, ever smiling, full of energy guy, and who brought a lot of positive energy to the group. All the smiles that you brought that could lift anybody from any situation. You remain to be that person today. I wish you all the best, my friend. It was great to share some good moments with you at work as well, at Serval, while I was at Orient Abrasives. What a time in life. Can never, those times will never come back. We can just cherish those moments and our friendship always. Wish you and your family all the best, buddy, and enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Rajiv, wish you a very happy birthday, 50th birthday. So this landmark is probably something that I have been waiting for, so that I can officially call you a Buddha now. But it's been a wonderful journey. I think we met each other in the year 1992-93, and though we haven't had the opportunities to meet each other for years, our friendship has withstood the time issues. I wish you a very happy birthday from the bottom of my heart, and बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. This was a wonderful initiative from Sarika. Thanks Sarika for this opportunity. And just one small thing, I wanted to share a very early memory with Rajiv. When we first met in Coimbatore for a pre-con training, I met Rajiv and I think we hit off pretty instantly. And so you say the basics of friendship were laid then. And I always used to tell him to do bada aadmi banega. And it's a wonderful thing to see you, that you have reached the heights that probably I wanted you to. And so that's it. I don't want to get emotional on this day. And happy birthday again. And God bless you. From Jessica, Adam, Mom, Dad, Rosie, Nathan, Ronan, Jason. You have been a part of our family for all these years of our friendship, and want you to be the same throughout. Bye.
टार्जन बेटा जन्मदिन मुबारक हो, 50वां साल जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. सारी ज़िंदगी खुशियाँ ही देखो, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. अब
टार्जन बेटा मुबारक हो, बहुत लंबी उम्र हो और खुश रहो और खूब तरक्की हो और सब ठीक ठाक.
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, 50th बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय करो. इट्स अ वेरी गुड दैट वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग योर 50th बर्थडे एंड यू आर ऑलवेज एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस and you are always here to guide us. It's very good, and God give you long life.
Hi Tazi, it's always nice to remember you. Whether we meet personally, we meet on phone, we call on phone, or in our thoughts. I remember the first day when we met in college, and it's been close to 25 years probably, or slightly more than that. Our friendship and association has gone stronger and stronger. It's always a pleasant feel to have a great friend like you who has a very charming, cheerful personality and is always caring character. God has given you a great memory. You always remember the important dates and birthdays of most of us. I'm also thankful to you. You always make me remember birthday for Juneja or Neeraj Mahajan when I miss it, which I generally most of the time. I also recall the good golden days when we started job together. We used to struggle when we used to go for a joint lunch, me, you, Sunil and Akhil Bhutani, and consciously we avoided ordering your favorite dish, Shahi Paneer, for which you used to get angry with us, and then most of the time by surprise the dish was served by the hotel, and so your favorite dish was generally always there when we used to go for joint food, which of course was followed by big gulab jamun of Sona. Anyways, these are past histories. God bless you, dear. Stay safe, stay healthy. I pray for a long life, a pleasant life, a healthy life, and a safe life for you in future. Have a great day, have a blast on your birthday, and have a great year ahead. It's been a pleasure again of having a friend like you, and all the best for your birthday, buddy. Take care. Bye bye, Razi.
Rajiv, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy 50th birthday, Rajiv. Enjoy and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Rajiv. Many happy returns of the day. We started as pen friends 30 years before. We met only twice, but you are one of my best friends. And Sarika, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to wish him on his special day. May all your dreams come true, Rajiv. Thank you.
हाय राजीव, जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो दोस्त। 50वीं सालगिरह, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, जैसे भी हो वैसे ही रहो। ऊपर वाले से दुआ है, तरक्की करो, खूब नाम कमाओ, पैसे भी कमाओ, बांटना जरूर। तुम्हारे साथ बिताया हुआ हर वक्त हमेशा अच्छा गुजरा, और वेदर वो पूना हो या दिल्ली हो या फिर जहाँ भी हम लोग अभी घूमें। बहुत खुशनसीबों को, बहुत कम खुशनसीब होते हैं जिनको ऐसा दोस्त मिलता है, और मैं वाकई अपने आप को खुशनसीब समझता हूँ कि मेरे पास तुम्हारे जैसे दोस्त है। तो यही कहूँगा कि अच्छे से जियो, लंबे से जियो, मैं भी रहूँगा, साथ में पियेंगे, खुश रहो।
वेरी हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे, वेलकम टू द क्लब ऑफ 50s। जैसे सबके प्लान होते हैं, हर एक आदमी प्लान करके चलता है कि मेरा 50th बर्थडे कैसे मनाऊंगा अपना फैमिली के साथ, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ मेजर माइलस्टोन ऑफ द लाइफ। आपने भी अपने प्लान बनाए होंगे, बट ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना इशू यू आर नॉट एबल टू एंजॉय इट आउटसाइड ऑफ द हाउस, बट लेट्स एंजॉय विद योर फैमिली। Once the situation clears and the friends will enjoy outside and have a gala party for this. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy the day and years ahead.
Rajiv, hi. I learned about this major milestone which you are going to hit on 26th. So I thought I should not be left behind to leave my best wishes to my dearest friend. You have been an inspiration on multiple aspects in my life, and I would like to list on at least 2 or 3 which comes to my mind immediately. First, the most important is you never forget to wish people. I mean, come sun, come rain. 30 years, birthday wish has to come through. Rajiv Mehta phone is must to come. And I really appreciate that very much. And I have learned that personally from you over the period of years that I must ensure that I do the same. Second, we moved from small houses to large places where we live, from scooters to, the cars. But most important in you did not change is your large-heartedness, your connect with friends, the way we have been together. I think it also reflects in you have changed very few jobs. Remain happy, remain joyful as you are. I call you Tarzan, and be large-hearted as you are, and remain Tarzan like energy and youthfulness. That's my best wishes to you. Please convey my regards to your family also. Post-COVID, let's catch up, my dear friend. Wish you all the very best. Thanks.
Hi Rajiv. Hope you and your family are safe and healthy during pandemic days. And I hope that you are getting enough supply, enough booze supply during the lockdown. Man, I just wanted to extend my greetings on your Golden Jubilee. You beautifully completed your 50 and you are carrying your team well. We believe that you're gonna complete your century in a similar fashion and you're gonna maintain your triumphs. Happy birthday, brother, and many, many happy returns of the day. Keep rocking. Enjoy your day to the max. Cheers from Dubai.
Hi, Tarzan of Rajiv. A very happy birthday to you, buddy. And especially it's your 50th birthday. So many, many congratulations on achieving another milestone in your life. Yes, it has been a long association we had. Now, I think it's about 35 years that we met in 1985 at Pusa. And then you were a lanky kid of about 15 years, must be, eh? So, I think we have spent major part of our life together. So, again, it's been a long association and really a cherished one. I can only remember in my memories of you as a tall, lanky, lean, young lad, again a kid of about 15 years only, and got little adultation because you were re-christened as Tarzan during your ragging days. I think you liked that macho image which got associated because of Tarzan, and then it stuck with you, and I think it's still going on. And I must say that yes, many of the people might not be even knowing your real name. So they all remember you as Tarzan. So great, buddy. It's been a long journey for you. I also congratulate to your father to give you such a good upbringing, your wife, your children for being on your side during all this period. And let's hope to meet as soon as possible after this pandemic. As soon as it allows us to meet, and again enjoy your day to the fullest. May God bless you with a lot of love, happiness, long life and prosperity. And not to say, yes, you have been again a re-christian as Chanakya in our group, so keep up that wisdom going on. All the very best. Take care. God bless.
Hi birthday baby or Chetan. Wish you a very happy birthday and welcome to the 50 and 50 plus club. अभी मुझे रोज बुढ़ा नहीं बोल सकता तू, because you also become same. मेरे को याद आ रहा था, मेरे को याद है जब तूने हमें बुलाया था वहाँ पे हरिद्वार, मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब थी, मैं बॉबी और एक और था दोस्त, when we came there, और हम लोग मनसा देवी घूमने गए थे, और हमारे जो अंडरगारमेंट थे वो सारे चोरी हो गए थे, और फिर हम गंगा में जब नहाने गए थे तो हम नहाए थे वो गमछा लेके, याद है। और एक बात और याद आ रही है, वो जो मोगा के घर के आगे हम बैडमिंटन खेलते थे, याद है ना, ये याद दिलाऊं, मोगा के घर के आगे बैडमिंटन, वो पुरानी यादें। ओके, विश यू a very happy birthday once again and wishing you a very long life.
Hi Rajiv, congratulations on completing 50 years. So half century is complete. I wish you should complete the century also. So I still remember the day we had met. It was in 1985, and we are in touch with for say last 35 years. That was a great moment when we had met, and I still remember the most memorable day when you had become the Tarzan as a fancy dress competition. So that day onwards we started calling you Tarzan only. So you have been a very kind-hearted person and taking care of your family very well. So I wish you all the best for your coming life. And you have been a very helping person. You helped my son Jasmeet also when he was in Nehru Place.
Wish you a happy 50th birthday, Rajiv. It's a big milestone. I hope that you have the best year ever. मुझे याद है हमने पहले दोस्ती कैसे की थी. आपका ऐड देखकर मैंने आपको लेटर लिखा था स्पोर्ट्स स्टार में. मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था इन माई वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम्स की पेन फ्रेंडशिप इतनी लंबी चल सकती है. It's been about 33-34 years since we've been friends. I still remember the time you came to Pune for the first time with Raj, and थोड़ा सा disappointment हुआ था, frankly speaking, क्योंकि as teenagers हमारी कुछ unrealistic expectations होती हैं. Thankfully, I didn't give in to those expectations. I didn't succumb to the immaturity, and today here we are 33 years later, friends, best friends, and still going strong. For me, you are my best friend. You have advised me in every sphere of my life. When I went through problems in my life, you were there, not questioning me, not judging me, but supporting me. फाइनेंशियली जो आपने एडवाइस मुझे दी है वो आज मुझे उसके बेनिफिट्स अभी तक मिल रहे हैं. तो इसके अलावा जब भी मैं फ़ोन करती हूँ, कभी कोई परेशानी होती है, तो आप इमीडिएटली भाप लेते हैं मेरी आवाज़ से. इससे बड़ा प्रूफ क्या हो सकता है कि आप मेरे सबसे अच्छे दोस्त हो जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझते हैं. आई होप आपकी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ आती रहें. You have a wonderful life partner in Sarika, and you got beautiful kids, Reva and Sara, bright and with a bright future ahead of them. I hope आप हमेशा हमेशा खुश रहें. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Rajiv sir. आपको 50वीं सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक. जल्दी ही लॉकडाउन के बाद हम सब मिल बैठ के पार्टी करेंगे.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy birthday, and as it's a half century, so you deserve a salute sir. And like one message I personally want to convey to you, you are the world's best boss, a real mentor. Like I have personally learned a lot of things from you only. So hats off sir, and wish you a very happy birthday. As it is your 50th, so it's a half century birthday, so we definitely have to cheers once we meet. So virtual cheers sir, happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Mehta Saab. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. God bless you with good health and a very happy life ahead. You are a very lucky man to have a wonderful family by your side. And I sincerely request you to celebrate your birthday with your family at your home this time. It's been over 25 years of our association, and I have cherished every moment of our friendship. I feel blessed to have a wonderful friend like you. More than a friend, you are a brother to me, and you have been by my side during my good and bad times both. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy with your family. Stay home. Cheers. Love you. Take care.
Hi Rajiv. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with good health and a long life. Enjoy the golden moments today with your family and friends. And remember that you are now getting into the golden years of your life. And each day and each year is to be celebrated as much as you can with your near and dear ones. God bless you. Take care.
Happy 50th birthday, Rajiv. Thanks Sarika and Sara for arranging this. Keep my treat with the best chatwala that you took me to once. Thank you.